Most delicious, high-protein, honey barbecue chicken mac and cheese. Only 500 calories and so easy to meal prep. Slice your chicken into cubes, then add garlic, black pepper, paprika, salt, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook on medium heat for 8 minutes till golden brown. Turn off the heat, add honey and barbecue sauce. Mix well, then set the chicken aside. Add low-fat milk, hot sauce, light cream cheese, and low-fat cheddar. Mix till smooth and creamy. Add the cooked macaroni, then distribute into 4 equal servings and enjoy.